Let me guess, the alarm goes off every morning, but you put it off. You say 5 more minutes, then another 5 minutes. Then, hours later, you find yourself crawling out of bed, sluggish, demoralized, and late. Your eyes are bloodshot, your mind is scattered, your energy is low, and those familiar questions start in your mind. Why am I so tired? Why can't I focus on anything? Stop right there, because the problem is not just in your sleep. The problem is in your approach to sleep. Look, brother, sleep is not just rest. Sleep is the foundation of your mental energy, decision-making power, discipline, and productivity. If you wake up so tired in the morning, it's not just because you stay up late. It's also because you don't sleep properly at night. And the worst thing is that this cycle has taken you captive. Every time you say, I'll sort it out tomorrow, you actually screw yourself up a little more. But enough. You have to break this chain today. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to reset your sleep pattern, even if you've been going to bed at 3 a.m. It won't be easy, but it will work. Now hold on tight, because after this video, you will get out of bed in the morning, not tired, but like a warrior. The first step is to get up at the same time every morning, no matter what. Whether you went to bed at 10 at night or closed your eyes at 4 in the morning, you will get up when that alarm goes off, because right now your body's biological clock is broken. You are so used to going to bed late, not waking up, and shifting your day that your brain now thinks that night is day and day is night. And the only way to break this cycle, relentless stability. The first days will suck, yes. You'll be sleepless, exhausted, even irritable, but this is not your punishment. It's your purification. Your body will tell you, don't get up, sleep some more. And you will say to it, no, I am not the old me anymore. That's when the system starts to rebuild. The key to the system is stability, and getting up at the same time every morning is the first key to unlock it. Second step, use your bed only for sleeping. Right now, your brain is being bombarded with complex signals because you're not just using the bed for sleeping, you're using it for watching videos, texting, getting lost in social media, and sometimes even working. As such, your brain is registering the bed as a place of stimulation, not rest. And when you put your head on the pillow at night, your mind is still active, still alert, because the brain says something was going on here. We are here to stay awake, not to sleep. You have to break this chain. From now on, your bed is only for one thing: sleep. No phone, no laptop, no talking, just darkness, silence, and stillness. This change teaches your mind again. If I have entered this space, I need to sleep. And then when sleep comes, it comes in without knocking. Step 3, switch off all screens at least 1 hour before you go to sleep. I know, it sounds simple, but this is the hardest to implement because your phone, tablet, TV, they all pump blue light into your eyes. This light gives your brain the message, the day goes on, don't sleep. And while you're scrolling through Instagram at midnight, your brain is still in day mode. That sleep hormone called melatonin cannot be secreted. Your sleep comes late, is of poor quality, and you wake up like a zombie in the morning. The only way to stop this is to make the night really feel like night. Switch off all screens an hour before you go to sleep. Read a book, scribble something light, meditate, think in dim light. Whatever you do, no screens, because the moment you switch off your phone, you actually start to switch on your mind. And remember, sleep loves darkness, not the screen. Now the ball is in your court. You understand these 3 steps. You no longer have the right to ask, why am I so tired? Because you know the answer. The truth is, fixing your sleep is fixing your life. Waking up tired in the morning is not just a physical problem. It is a mental neglect, the result of not keeping your promises to yourself. But every morning is a new beginning offered to you. When you get out of that bed, you don't just start the day. You also raise your willpower. So throw away the excuses. Don't procrastinate when the alarm goes off. Don't surrender to screens at night, and make your bed a sacred place again. Because if you want to change your life, it starts an hour before bedtime. Now ask yourself, do you really want to change today? Or will you say, I'll start tomorrow again? Don't forget to like and subscribe for this kind of content. See you soon.